Mastering Mondays. Kickstarting your English language journey. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on Days of the Week vocabulary. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of the first day of the week, Monday. Monday is the day of the week between Sunday and Tuesday. In many cultures and languages, including English, it is often considered the first day of the work week. The word Monday comes from the Old English Monendag, which means moon's day. Isn't that a fun fact to remember? Understanding how to use Monday in sentences can improve your English skills significantly. Let's practice together with some examples. 1. I start my work week on Monday. 2. We have an English class every Monday. 3. Let's meet next Monday to discuss our project. Don't forget, when talking about days of the week, we always use them with a capital letter at the start. One great way to improve your English skills is to ask and answer questions. Here are a few examples involving Monday. 1. What do you usually do on Mondays? 2. Is Monday your favorite day of the week? 3. What did you do last Monday? Practice these questions with a partner or try answering them on your own. Well done, learners! You've expanded your vocabulary knowledge about the day, Monday. Remember, learning a language is all about practice. Use Monday in your everyday conversations and watch your English skills grow. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video where we will explore Tuesday. Keep learning, and have a great day.